Now the solution to the third exercise, the gamma is the sure option. Here's the first figure involved. But first we measured gamma 2 only, then gamma 1. We have this indifference. We apply expected utility. So the expected utility of the left option, you get it with probability 1, just utility of gamma 2 must be equal to half times utility of a 4 plus half times utility of a 0. That means that is the same as we saw already of utility of alpha 2. So that means gamma 2 must be alpha 2. So again, we measure the same thing. The second figure that we was involved with the gamma 1, we have utility of gamma 1 is half utility gamma 2 plus half utility alpha 0. We substitute, we know that gamma 2 is alpha 2, so we have that, and it is the utility of alpha 1, so gamma 1 is alpha 1. And the third figure will not surprise you. Utility of gamma 3 is half utility of 4 plus half gamma 2. We know gamma 2 is alpha 2, this is utility of alpha 3, gamma 3 is alpha 3. So again, the gammas are yet another way, the metas were another way of measuring the alphas. The gammas, again, are yet another way of measuring the same thing. So you're always measuring the same thing in different ways. And so I can say much of the same comments I made before, why this is useful or not. Here, the measurement of the gammas feels psychologically a bit different than of the betas. So that maybe give pros or cons depending on what you want to do. So also empirically, so expected utility is predicting that the gammas are equal to the alphas, but we can test this empirically. Does it really hold? And empirical studies found that this prediction of expected utility is systematically violated. In general, the gammas are a bit smaller than the corresponding alphas. So here we have a systematic violation of expected utility signaling to us. So it's good with these cross measurements, as they sometimes call it, because they show to us that now our theory is violated. And that was in a way the beginning of the behavioral approach, that we were finding all these violations. Okay, next exercise will be in the next recording.